Today we want to share 4 case study slides. These case study slides are graphical representation of energy management data. These slides are from various case studies to demonstrate how cutting-edge technologies in the modern world contribute to enhancing energy efficiency, reducing carbon emissions, and lowering operational costs in buildings. Let me share the story of a manufacturing plant that faced severe power issues, causing operational disruptions. The resulting downtime for repairs leading to delivery problems, impacting their revenue and profits. Despite investing a significant sum in existing power solutions, the problems persisted and, in some instances, became worse. After exhausting various costly options, the CEO learned about the MPTS power management control system. Implementing this system on the switchgear proved to be the turning point. On the left side of this slide, you'll find the benchmarking data graph before the installation of the MPTS power management control system. Meanwhile, on the right side, you'll see the data graph covering several months post the implementation of the MPTS. The difference is crystal clear. The green color in the graph represents dirty power in the electrical network that was causing the power issues and downtimes. After installation of the MPTS power management controls system, the graph on the right side shows significant decrease in dirty power. This graph illustrates the data before and after implementing the MPTS power management control systems at a prison facility. The primary focus in this context is on ensuring reliability, resiliency, and sustainable operations. This graph displays data comparisons before and after installing the MPTS power management control systems within a mission-critical defense operation. It serves as another instance highlighting the importance of reliability, resiliency, and sustainable operations. In this specific context, the operation is crucial, demanding 100% reliability round the clock 7 days a week. Ensuring uninterrupted functionality is the utmost priority. The MPTS power management control system is installed and is in use for almost 10 years. This graph demonstrates data comparisons before and after the implementation of the MPTS power management control systems in a high-rise commercial office building. It serves as another illustration of reliability, resiliency, and sustainable operations maintained by the MPTS power management control system consistently over several years. The MPTS is a complete power management and controls device. This power management system monitors, logs, reports energy management data, and also fixes new world power problems in electrical networks. Contact your Transpower company representative or reach out to your distributor. You can also write to info@transpowerco.com. Thank you for listening to this presentation. Have a wonderful day.